Question number 2. Find the terms independent of x in the expansion of 2x squared minus 3 over x to the whole power of 6. This question is related to the expansion, and we know that a plus b whole power n has n plus 1 terms. To find any term, we have the formula PR is equals to the n combination r a to the power of n minus r times b to the power of r. To find any term, r can be equals to 1 to up to n. It is given that we need to find the term which don't have any x. So we need to find which term doesn't have any value of x by using formula PR equals to nr a to the power of n minus r times b to the power of r. And in this case, a is, this one is a, which is 2x squared, and b is negative 3 over x. And we have the n, which is 6. Plugging these values, we will have PR equals to n, which is 6, combination r a to the power of n minus 1 means 2x squared to the power of 6 minus r times b to the power of r means negative 3 over x to the power of r. We need to find the term free from x. So we will consider the x values. So we are concerned about the x. We will ignore the constant and multiple. So this one is multiple, ignore it. 2 is constant, multiple, ignore it. Negative 3, ignore it. We will only retain the value of x. So x squared to the power of 6 minus r. And here we will have only 1 over x to the power of r. For the solving, we will have x to the power of 2 times 6 minus r, x inverse of whole power r, and this one is equal to the x to the power of 12 minus 2 r. X inverse to the power of r is x to the power of negative r. Further solving, we will have x to the power of 12 minus 2 r minus r, because base is same, power will be added, and this one is equal to x to the power of 12 minus 3r. And we want to find the value of r such that this term will be free from x. So we can say that x to the power of 0 means free from x. So comparing the power, we will have 12 minus 3r equal to 0. 12 is equal to 3r and r is equal to 4. When we plug value of r equals to 4, we will find the term which will not have x. So again, using formula, we have PR equals to n combination r times a to the power of n minus r and b to the power of r. And in this case, n is again 6 and a is equal to 2x squared and b is equal to negative 3 over x, and r we just calculated, which is 4. Plugging these values, we will have E4 equals to n means 6, combination r means 4, and a to the power of n minus r is 2x squared to the power of 6 minus 4 times b, which is negative 3 over x to the power of r means 4. And this one is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 over 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and this one is equal to 2x squared to the power of 2 times negative 3 to the power of 4 over x to the power of 4. So this one will be cancelled out, this one will be cancelled out, and this one is equal to 3. So we will have 15 times 2 to the power of 4 is 4, x to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4 over x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 will be cancelled out, and we will have 60 times 3 to the power of 4. Solving further, we will have 4 terms, which is 4860. So this term is free from x or independent of x. So we have calculated the term which is independent of x, which is independent of x.